Non-inverting amplifier. Inverting input is grounded. Signal is applied to the non-inverting input. Output is in phase. Amplifies the input voltage by a constant. Closed loop op-amp. Voltage output connected to inverting input through a feedback resistor. Inverting input is also connected to ground. Non-inverting input is only determined by voltage output. So this is a circuit diagram of a non-inverting operational amplifier. So let's see, this is a non-inverting plus terminal. This is the inverting terminal. The signals are applied or given to the non-inverting terminal. So what happened? The signals are amplified in addition that the phase remains constant. So this is the observations. So here the weak signals are given. So these weak signals are becomes a enlarged or amplifier after the signals are came out from the amplifier and phase remains constant. So this is the non-inverting operational amplifier. What is the definition to the non-inverting operational amplifier? It is an amplifier. The signals are a amplifier with in phase with respect to the input signals are called non-inverting operational amplifier. The circuit diagram is just shown here. So this is a non-inverting terminal plus it is a inverting terminal. So inverting terminal is a connector to the grounded or grounded itself. A signal can be applied to the non-inverting terminal so that the output is taken V0 with respect to ground. This is the output waveform. This is the input waveform. Next slide. Derivation. What is the voltage gain or expression to the non-inverting amplifier? This is the circuit diagram. So here inverting terminal is a connected to ground. This is a non-inverting terminal. The signal can be given here. Then this is a feedback component. The feedback component is a connected across output terminal and inverting terminal, pin number 6 and pin number 2. This is a feedback resistor or component RF. The current flowing through a feedback resistor, let it be IF or I0. So V0 is nothing but output voltage. VI is nothing but input voltage. The signal is given here. Then dual supply is applied here. So pin number 4 and pin number 7. Plus VCC is applied to a dual supply pin number 7 and minus VCC is applied to a pin number 4. So this is a circuit diagram. What is the direction of flow of current? This is the direction of flow of current. So which is coming, the direction of flow of current from the non-inverting terminal to output to, this is the node point, from node point to input. So this is the Vx is a node point. So this Vx we called a virtual shorted. Virtual shorted. What is the concept of a virtual concept? Virtual shorted means, so this terminal and this terminal both are a shorted. Shorted means not a really shorted, virtually shorted. What is the voltage appear here? The same thing must be appear here. So that's why this is known as the virtual shorted. Means Vx and Vi both are virtually shorted. So now applying the KCL means Kirchhoff's current law at this point, this node point. So here what are the currents are enter and what are the currents are leave from this point. So let's say of here IF is nothing but, so coming into the Vx, that is equals to I plus of I1. So assume ideal op-amp. So R1 equals to infinity and I1 is equals to 0. So here there is no I1 current. So here IF equals to I1. So I1 is nothing but what is the current across the R1, that is Vx minus of 0 divided by resistance R1, means just apply the Ohm's law. Voltage divided by resistance is nothing, potential difference across the resistance R1 divided by the resistance of the resistor, that is a current flow through a R1, means Vx. So here potential is a Vx, so here potential is 0, that is Vx minus of 0 over R1. Similarly, what is the potential difference across the RF? That is, so here that is a Vx, here that is a V0, means V0 minus of Vx upon RF. So this is a current, IF current through a RF. So now simplify here. So V0 minus of Vx is nothing but Vi over Rf. So where Vx we find, at that place we substitute Vi. So that is equals to Vi divided by Ri. So now simplify here. V0 minus of Vi, just to rearrange the terms, V0 minus of Vi over Vi equals to Rf over R1. Just to segregate the R functions ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, V functions ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ V0 by Vi ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ Vi by Vi ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು Rf ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ R1 ಅಥವಾ Ri. ಸೊ V0 by Vi minus Vi divided by Vi, this is a ratio, that is equals to 1. Here Rf divided by R1. Therefore V0 divided by Vi, that is the voltage gain AV equals to, so now you minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ Rf divided by R1 plus of 1. This is the required expression to the voltage gain for a non-inverting operational amplifier. So voltage gain AV equals to 1 plus of Rf divided by Ri. So voltage gain in case of non-inverting operational amplifier, which is depend upon the feedback resistance value and input resistance value. This is expression to the voltage gain to the non-inverting op-amp, which depends upon input feedback resistance values and all. Since this is a closed loop gain of op-amp is a positive, there is no negative sign here, it shows that the output signal is a non-inverted, means there is no phase difference input and output signals. Output voltage is a in phase with a input voltage, that is the meaning of a plus